Hey there guys, hope you're having a great start to 2020. It's a brand new year, a brand new decade, and I always get excited about around the beginning of the year because it's a new beginning, it's a new start. It's something that we get to really take a fresh look at our life, and whether that be our health, whether that be our finances, our time, our future, we get an opportunity to step back and look at where we want to go over the next year. And so I want to really invite you to come out next Monday night. If you've probably seen stuff online or in the office that we're having our New Year, New You workshop. It's next Monday the 13th at 6:15. And at this workshop, I want you to understand, I know that beginning of the year, you already are seeing it blasted on your social media and your email, online, of advertisements for, get healthy this year, lose that weight this year, or start this gym membership, or do this nutritional program, or whatever it may be. All these things that we're being bombarded with and ideas of, that it really comes down to it. If we want to make a change in our health especially, there are 4 basic things that we need to survive. And that's what we're going to talk about on Monday night. We're going to talk about what those 4 things are. I'm going to give you the 3 steps that you need these are very, very simple steps. You know that we need to keep things simple. I've got to keep stuff simple. I have a busy life, a busy family, just like you guys. And so the more simple something is, the higher success rate I'm going to have at making that happen. I'm actually seeing an impact from what you're putting time into. So I'm going to share the 3 essential things you have to understand about the 4 elements of survival and how you can apply that to your health. That's next Monday night. We're going to be talking about nutrition. We're going to be talking about getting our bodies moving and just these simple elements of what health really is. So next Monday night, come out to the New Year, New You workshop. If you are not a patient, or if you have someone that you want to invite, this is an open workshop. It's free for anyone to attend to come next Monday night, the 13th, 6:15. It'll be about a 30 to 45 minute class. We'll have you in here and out of here, and you'll be able to walk out with amazing information that will get you seeing a clear picture for where your 2020 is going to go. See you soon.